Good morning to all of you. Nowadays, online classes have become the order of the day as the second wave of COVID-19 is on the surge and the students are not able to attend the regular classes or physical classes. Actually, in my view, physical classes are better then because whenever you get a doubt, you can ask the lecturer and get clarification, or at least you will be able to concentrate. Suppose if it is online, normally you may not be able to concentrate that much. And even the problems like network problem, even for us also, the lecturer also, network problem, everything will be there. Okay, definitely when advancement of technology is there, definitely the problems will persist, but sometime we will overcome all these problems. Right. Yesterday, while inaugurating the online classes of BA LLB and BBA LLB of Vignan University, Sangam Jagarlamudi or Guntur, Honorable former Supreme Court Justice chalameswar, he said or he advised the law students they should develop the technology, they should have the urge to study technology. So technical aspects also they have to learn. That is what is in the session because of the emerging trend of technology. You may be knowing even as per Information Technology Act 2000 it has come into existence in the year 2000. But actually it has to be supposed to be acted in 1998 itself as e-commerce act. At that time e-commerce was on the full bloom, just like Amazon, Target, and Best Buy, Shop or Stop. So many companies have come onto the e-commerce platform and there was no regular law to control the same. Of course, then while the discussions were going on regarding that INCITRAL has advised the Government of India to frame the Information Technology Act. While it was being discussed in Assembly and in the Parliament and Rajya Sabha, so technology has gone to such an extent where we went into the stage of Internet of Things. And when this act is evolved, when it has come into existence, immediately the later development is artificial intelligence, robots, all these things, robotic laser operations, robot, all these things. So if something happen, how to deal with legally in that aspect? This is the main question. Definitely, therefore, you must be well versed or conversant with the technical aspects of the law and also technology law also. Technology law means, now I will tell you. He has advised, inaugurating the online classes, he said, knowledge of subjects like cyber security, digital crimes. So, what is cyber security, what is a digital crime, all of you know. Because the so-called computer will be used as a weapon and as a target also. So using the cyberspace, so it is only intellectual crime. Normally, man of ordinary prudence they cannot do it. Only young and intellectual people they can only commit the crime. Just Nigerian cheating, phishing, wishing, and email spoofing, email bombing, all these things So while discussing the Information Technology Act, we discussed all these things. So the law student should know cyber security, digital piracy, digital security, digital crime, and also integrated legal education. Integrated legal education is 5 years course or plus BA, LLB or BB, LLB. So day before something while discussing some class also, I told you they are actually necessary. They will equip the law students for the future because future is definitely technically advanced and you have to know the technology. So that's why one of my corporate friends, he was working with a corporate company, he said that 5 years law, they want only 5 years law students. Why? I asked him, then he told me that the students of 5 years course, normally, whether they like it or not, they will be involved in the legal aspect right from the beginning. 5 years they will be discussing law. So let it be history, let it be sociology, let it be politics, let it be psychology, all these things. But law will prevail. Therefore, they want integrated legal education people. So definitely the future is there for the 5-year students. I am not undermining the 3-year students, but 5 years definitely. So students pursuing legal education diligently. That means with care and conscience. That means in Telugu we call it jagartaga, jagarukato. If you pursue the legal education diligently, definitely they will be rewarded for their hard work. So this is the suggestion given by Justice, former Justice Chalameswar. Of course, Vignan Rathe also stated there is now demand for legal cells, even agriculture, industry, sports, entertainment, every division is requesting political people, they want legal cell. All these people require legal cell. Therefore, there is emerging trend towards the law people. Definitely you will be successful, like that he is told. Here, why I am telling all these things? Because they are senior people. Justice Josh Someshwar is not an ordinary man. He is the author of the so-called judgment, Shreya Singhal versus Union of India 2014, where he said, section 66A is against to the constitution. It is unconstitutionally held it because everybody has got a freedom of speech and freedom of expression. So if you curtail the freedom of expression, then where we are going? So he has actually scrapped the called Shreya Singhal case. And he has also another point, collegium case. He said, collegium, the meeting or proceedings of the collegium should be drafted. Otherwise, what is the purpose of having the collegium meeting between senior judges of the Supreme Court, having tea and biscuits and then going away and said, this man posted to this man, posted this place. No, there should be the proceedings. Unless the proceedings are there, I am not going to attend the collegium meeting. He said he has not attended also. I think for one time the meeting was postponed also. So such gentleman, he is a very good shrewd judge. He has given the advice. So please remember, be aware of the technology. So be avail yourself with the technical developments of law also, and particularly know the Information Technology Act. So after all, there are 94 sections, and of course maybe 10 sections are only penal sections, and if you go through the Information Technology Act, normally you will be knowing what is cyber security, what is a cyber offense, what is data, what is information, what is the digital signature, how to use the digital signature, what are the duties of the subscribers, what are the functions of the controller. So why the cyber appellate tribunal is constituted, and also the importance of the IE, that is international, that is Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. All these things will be knowing, and you will be definitely equipped with the legal concepts on information technology. So develop your knowledge, study Information Technology Act, and even know the technical developments in the law also, and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.